Hello guys, let we see in these video parts to know about artificial intelligence. Take your own separate notes, first understand the concept and after that what you understand about these and fulfill the notes in your own understandable way. Breadth first search in artificial intelligence. Find the route from S to G by using breadth first search, BFS. Here we go to C. Take a graph like showing on the screen. 1, 2, 3 R represents to show values from root node to passing nodes. It is a graph. S is a root node. From these graph we want to solve the breadth first search in artificial intelligence AI. They are considered 4 steps to solve from the give graph. Swit P1 take root node S, Swit P2 take root node passing. S to A, S to B, S to C and their values. Swit P3 take root node passing with subsets. S to A, S to B, S to C, then A to D, B to D, G and C to G. Step 4 take root node passing and expand the subsets from step 3. S to A, S to B, S to C. A to D, B to D, G, C to G. Then expand. D to G from a passing nodes. D to G from B passing nodes. S represents to show it's a level 0. A, B, C represents to show it's a level 1. D, G, G represents to show it's a level 2. G represents to show it's a level 3. Solution from the process based on given question. SBG or SCG from the step 4 S passing to G. These are the route to finding the S to G by using breadth first search in AI.